Welcome to HydroSym tutorials. This video is about drawing headers. When generating output from the canvas or the bill of materials, most likely a drawing header is required. HydroSym offers 5 predefined drawing headers. 3 in the Layout Drawing menu and 2 in the Bill of Materials Print menu. You provide these headers with your company address and company logo in the drawing header setup. And you complete them for each individual project in the project properties. For many users, HydroSym's predefined headers will perfectly do. But if preferred, you can create one or more customized headers as well. This will be explained for both the layout drawing and the Bill of Materials Print menu later on. But first the drawing header setup. HydroSym drawing headers come pre-installed with Paro's software company address and logo. To change them to your own, open the drawing header setup under Tools. And simply fill out the setup both for address and logo and you're good to go. Once filled out or changed over time, all predefined headers in new projects will carry your provided company name and logo. However, if you fill out the drawing header setup while working in an existing project, which is quite likely, as we do now, and you want it to have immediate effect, you need to actively update the address change in this specific project in the layout drawing. Left-click to select the header, right-click for the options window, and then choose Update Address. Please note the black border around your logo will not be visible in your output. Next, complete your drawing header in each individual project by filling out the project properties. Both the drawing header setup and the project properties work with attributes, meaning the entered values here will be repeated in various designated fields throughout HydroSym. You find the project properties under Assist, in the Bill of Materials Print menu, and in the layout drawing, but here they are a bit more hidden. Left-click on some text in the header. A red border appears when selected, then right-click and select Position, Scale and Properties. If you want to change or arrange your project drawing header, you'll need to customize a predefined header to your liking or create a new one. This works slightly different in the layout drawing and the Bill of Materials Print menu, so let's customize one in both. We'll start with the layout drawing. Check out the predefined headers first. As the globe indicates, these headers are provided by HydroSym online. To customize a header to your needs, download the header of your choice. For now, I'll customize the default header, so it will affect future projects as well. Click OK to import it into the border folder in your local library. The HydroSym logo indicates that it's saved locally now. Select OK twice to close the drawing header windows and close the layout drawing. Next, open the new local header file under Borders in your local library. Here you can change text and play with the layout all you want. For now, let's just change Customer into Client. Mind you, gray text represent attributes, black text is ordinary adjustable text. Now save and close your local header file. Go back to your project and open the layout drawing. Because we customized the default header, it automatically opens in the layout drawing. However, if you customized number 2 or 3 or made a new one, select it here. The Bill of Materials Print menu offers 2 standard layout options, Portrait and Landscape, each containing a preset drawing header. In this example, we'll modify the drawing header in the landscape layout. So first we'll select Landscape under Layout. Then click Modify. Open the border folder down here under Layout File and download the online Bill of Materials landscape file to your local border folder as before. If you want to create a new landscape layout instead of adjusting the existing one, rename here. Close all print menu windows. And open the new local file under Borders in your local library to change text and adjust the layout to your liking. For now, we'll change Parts List into Bill of Materials. Here, orange text represents attributes, green text is ordinary adjustable text. Close the local layout file, go back to your project, and open the Bill of Materials print menu that immediately opens in the landscape layout with your modified header. That's about it on drawing headers, but there's a lot more to learn about our layout drawing and Bill of Materials print menu, so please watch our tutorials on those subjects as well. For now, thank you for your time. And last, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact our team or visit our support area on the Paro website.